In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an org-wide email address in Salesforce. This functionality allows your organization to send emails using a consistent address, regardless of the user sending it, ensuring uniformity and professionalism across communications. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, we begin our journey on the Salesforce homepage. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the Quick Settings icon, which is generally found in the top right corner of your screen. This icon acts as your gateway to more advanced configurations, so go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking Quick Settings, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Open Advanced Setup. This will lead you to a more detailed interface where you can manage various settings related to your Salesforce environment. It's quite an essential step as it opens up the path to configuring organization-wide email settings. Once you're in the Advanced Setup interface, find the search bar, usually situated at the top left. Type in organization-wide addresses to quickly navigate to the section we need. This saves time scrolling through numerous options and directs you straight to the necessary configuration area. After locating the organization-wide addresses option, click on it. You'll be taken to a new page where you can manage existing addresses and add new ones. For our purposes, we will be adding a new address, so click on the Add button to initiate this process. Next, you'll be prompted to input the display name that will appear on emails sent from this address. Choose a name that clearly represents your organization or department, as this makes your email communications immediately recognizable to recipients. Following the display name, input a valid email address. This is crucial because it is the actual address that emails will appear to come from, so ensure it's both active and accurate. Now it's time to choose a purpose for the email address. Selecting a purpose helps categorize the address for specific functions within your organization. It's essential to tailor this to suit your team's needs, whether it's for customer service, sales inquiries, or general information. Once you've selected a purpose, the next step is choosing a profile. This defines who within your organization can use this email address. It's important to understand your organization's structure and assign the rights to the appropriate team members or departments. With everything set, click Save to finalize the process. But our job isn't quite done. You'll notice a warning message that appears following saving. This indicates that you need to verify the email address. To do this, check the inbox or spam folder of the email address for a verification email from Salesforce. Clicking the verification link in the email will complete the setup process. And that's it. You've successfully set up an org-wide email address in Salesforce. Maintaining a consistent email address across your organization is now possible, making all communications more uniform and ensuring your brand's identity is well represented. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through comments or check Salesforce's support for more details.